Since I was diagnosed with schizophrenia, my life has become a complete whirlwind. Juggling doctor's appointments, therapy sessions, and visits to the pharmacy while working part-time is difficult. Remembering to take my medication the same time each day can be quite the challenge.
Schizophrenia is a mental health condition that affects the way an individual thinks, feels, behaves, and experiences the world. Although the exact cause of schizophrenia is still unknown, treatment options are available. Most treatment options involve the use of antipsychotic medication, along with other services like psychotherapy, social skills training, family therapy, or employment support. Studies show that when men and women living with schizophrenia consistently take their medication, the likelihood of symptoms returning or getting worse is lower. There are options for how and how often to take antipsychotic medication. Medication options range from daily pills or liquids to long-acting injectables. Instead of taking a pill every day, individuals on long-acting injectables are given an injection by a healthcare provider monthly or more or less frequently depending on the medicine. Using long-acting injectables is one way to take schizophrenia medication less often while maintaining symptom control.
When my doctor first recommended a long-acting injectable, I was skeptical. She explained the risks and benefits of a long-acting injectable and told me that it was my same medication but in a different form. It took a few conversations with my doctor for me to feel comfortable trying a long-acting injectable. Once I was on board, I worked with my treatment team to learn when and where to schedule my injection appointments. I am so glad that I made the change to a long-acting injectable. Now my doctor and I spend less time in my appointments talking about whether or not I'm taking my schizophrenia pills each day. Instead, we spend more time discussing my long-term treatment goals. Now that taking my schizophrenia pill is one less thing for me to worry about day after day, I can focus on other parts of my treatment plan. And that's something to smile about.